Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create troll face on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application. And as you can see, I have imported troll face to this project. And I'm going to add it to my project like this. Okay, and then I'm going to blend the troll face with my video. We can go to the video and then select basic and then go to the blend option, and then I'm going to choose darken. Okay, and then I'm going to adjust the size of this troll face. I'm going to put it on this man's face like this, and then to make the troll can follow the moving face, we can use motion tracking feature. So we can go to the tracking and then select motion tracking, and I'm just going to place this square on the man's face. Okay, and then we can click on start. Okay, and now the tracking process is being started. And actually guys, we can also use keyframe to make the troll can follow the moving face. To get better precision, you can use keyframe. But here I'm just going to use this motion tracking feature, and let's see the result. Okay, and now the tracking process has completed, and I'm going to play it. Okay, I think it looks good. And okay guys, that's all the way to create troll face on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!